in isolation. The economics of it is fine. The tourism needs good infrastructure, sound policies, and effective and responsive governance. No less fundamental to me is the fact that only peace and happiness of people can bring warmth in the hospitality we Indians eternally enjoy. And I would like to mention here that tourism in Jammu Kashmir is also a reflection of multi-religious and multicultural ethos of India. Today, Jammu Kashmir stands among the developed regions of India on some miserable milestones, and we are committed for people's prosperity both economically and socially. Honorable Prime Minister has completely eliminated injustice, exploitation, and discrimination which several sections of society face for several long decades owing to circumstances that evolved mostly because of orchestration from abroad. Friends, we are ensuring social equality and equal economic opportunity to all citizens, which is also enabling them to contribute to the nation building. Grassroots democracy has been strengthened, new industries are coming up, the rapid agricultural growth is making our villages prosperous, new institutions have been opened up in higher education, youths are being trained for Industry 4.0, infrastructure development is progressing rapidly, and our emphasis on technology is transforming Jammu Kashmir into a digital society. In the past 4 years, the ranking of Jammu Kashmir on the various parameters of sustainable development goals has gone up. Thanks to visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Modi, and the world can see the entire society, especially the young generation, is scripting a bright future for themselves and the nation. The speed and scale of rapid development in Jammu Kashmir are awe-inspiring. Our speed to execute infrastructure projects has gone up almost 10 times. I will give you a small example. Only 9,229 projects were completed in the year 1890. In the last financial year, we have completed 92,560 projects. This achievement is a testimony to our resolve of peace and prosperity and making all our citizens equal partners in this journey of growth. Friend, the COVID pandemic made the world realize the hard way the virtues of travelers' well-being and also the values of a shared vision, one earth, one family, and one future. The paradigm shift towards sustainable living, inclusive and sustainable development is also an opportunity to provide new impetus to sustainable tourism. I am truly delighted that under India's G20 presidency, the G20 Tourism Working Group is focusing on 5 interconnected priority areas: green tourism, digitization, skills, tourism, MSMEs, and destination management will provide a roadmap for tourism as a tool